Hello to everyone. Today I would like to unbox together with you this multi-tester Pro Duet from the Wood company. So it is exactly 2 pole voltage tester with LED display. So we have here one piece of this voltage tester and on the back side some basic information what are you can do with this uh, tool. So as you can see, indication of DC voltage from 6 to 1400 volts with polarity indicator, indication of AC voltage from the 6 till 1000 volts, warning of dangerous voltage possible without battery. So you need battery for this tool, but it's working also without battery. Then you can see you have here the automatic ringing, single pole phase search, 2 pole phase sequence testing without finger contact, go operated, continuously testing from the 0 to till 200 kilo, optical and acoustical, then DO test, and etc. What you can read separately without me. And also you can see auto power on off function. So okay, let's go to open it. So how is it looks like from the inside? So I open it, taking out. Okay, so here it is. So it's very robust. It's very good for your hand. So multi-tester Pro Duet, article number. So you have here some 2 buttons, F, E, R, C, D, and then L, H. But it doesn't work. I think it doesn't work because we have no battery inside. So on the back side you have all the information, and right here you have to input battery, so like this, and then you have here this is also very nice, and you have also here one button. It's mechanical voicing, or this button is working. So, and here you have all the options and LED signals, so it looks really very nice. You are able to connect it, and it looks really nice, so you can do like this, yeah, and it is together. So very nice. Okay, so in the next video we can input battery inside, and then we can next video test it in a real condition, and maybe see how to use it in your house, or maybe at work. So thank you for the watching. If you want to buy the same multi-tester, voltage tester, please check